Is your Velit air heater displaying air code 1 or air code 02? Ignition failure or combustion interruption? Don't worry, we'll walk you through a simple, systematic fix. First, before we dive in, fire up the heater. Make sure the fan wheel is spinning and perform a quick visual check of the exhaust. The intake and exhaust should be free of obstruction at all times. If you see continuous heavy white smoke coming from the exhaust pipe, stop troubleshooting there. Continuous white smoke indicates severe carbon buildup or a significant amount of fuel left in the combustion chamber. This is most often caused by over-priming the unit or an underlying fuel supply issue that starves the heater, leading to incomplete combustion. Run the heater for 30 minutes. If the smoke continues, please go watch our quick cleaning video to resolve this immediate issue. If there is no continuous smoke, let's systematically troubleshoot the E01-02 air. First, verify the glow plug is heating by watching the current draw during the ignition cycle. The current draw during ignition should always be higher than 8 amps. Next, we want to check the fuel pump. Listen closely for the distinct rhythmic clicking sound from the fuel pump. If your current draw is below 8 or you do not hear the fuel pump clicking, please stop here. This may require a firmware update or interference mitigation. Contact Velit support immediately. If both the current and the pump are good, wait and listen for the sound of ignition, the characteristic whoosh, whoosh, as fuel lights in the chamber. If you don't hear the ignition sound, the problem likely lies in the fuel line. Small bubbles like this are normal, but excessive bubbles like this indicate there's an air leak. To fix this, first identify where the bubbles start. If your filter has a twisted cap, ensure it's completely tight and secure. If the bubbles are starting at a connection point, simply tighten the clamp at the junction to eliminate the leak. If you have resolved all air leaks and confirm the fuel is flowing, but the heater still fails, perform a final installation check. Per the manual, this line must be less than 4 feet. If the suction side is too long, the pump cannot reliably deliver the correct amount of fuel. The fuel line on the pump side can go as long as 20 feet, so if we want to install the fuel pump closer to the fuel tank to minimize the length of the suction side. The suction side issue is often worse if you're drawing fuel from an auxiliary fuel port. Shorten and re-secure the line if it exceeds 4 feet. Last but not least, avoid using any T-joint setups in your fuel lines. We have seen multiple fuel supply issues caused by T-joints. The heater requires its own dedicated fuel standpipe. If you follow these comprehensive steps and the E01-02 air persists, please contact Velit customer support using the information on the screen. We are here to ensure your heater keeps you warm reliably on your next adventure.